Kavya and Bihar captain here. Who will call? Bihar will call. Head is the call. And Tamil Nadu. Bihar won the toss. बिहार ने टॉस जीतकर चॉइस से कोर्ट. All is well. Match is starting here. Kavya or number 1 on the red. Tiger on the red. Captain of Tamil Nadu against Bihar. So pre-quarter match starting here. Knockout match and बिहार देखते हैं कैसी शुरुआत यहाँ से करता है तमिलनाडु के समक्ष. ट्राई टू बोनस. सुपर ट्राई. And good attempt on the right corner.
आपका भी सम्मान होगा.
Bonus of the mark. Tamil Nadu. Good sign. Now Bihar number 10 on the red. So score now 1-0. Starting moment of the match. Very crucial and very important at Sonipat, Haryana, 30th Sub Junior National Kabaddi Championship. Once again, number 9, Dev.
First call, Andhra Pradesh.
Godhami on the right.
First call,
Godhami running attack and this excellent work by Bihar. Shandar push, gentle push of the mark.
Three-quarter final boys section. Gujarat
Score
versus
now
Chhattisgarh.
level 1
First
each.
call,
Bihar 1 and
boys section.
Tamil Nadu
three-quarter
also
final match, Gujarat versus Chhattisgarh.
1. Bihar running attack on the corner. Number 11 under pressure. Losing point here. Tamil.
Girls section pre-quarter final match.
Captain
West Bengal versus Assam.
Tiger very
First
strong.
call, girls section pre-quarter final match. West Bengal versus Assam.
A real tiger of Tamil Nadu. No doubt about. Sister of Karthik Express. Gold medalist her. Diving. Couple of points here. Big below. 2 points.
First call,
And now leading
girls section pre-quarter final match.
Tamil
Haryana
Nadu.
versus Punjab. What team manager kindly get your team ready.
Tamil Nadu
Thank
4
you. और
and
मान
Bihar
सम्मान की प्रक्रिया में हमारे बीच में
3.
डॉक्टर अनमोल सीटीएम सोनीपत
Sorry.
वो भी विराजमान है जो ये सब जूनियर नेशनल यहाँ चल रहा है. काफी सहयोग किया है व्यवस्था बनाने में.
3-2 का स्कोर.
बहुत सारा उन्होंने सहयोग किया है. उनको भी
Now number 13
हरियाणा यहाँ
Devasri on the red attacking player under the sunlight.
और
Coming safe comeback.
अभी मैं
I
अनुरोध
think
करूंगा
score now 3.
जहाँ खेल हो सम्मान ना हो तो वो भी
Bihar
कोई मंच नहीं होता. इसी श्रेणी में हमारे बीच में
solid
जिला
defense
अधिकारी
of
सोनीपत
Tamil Nadu.
श्री मनोज यादव जी
Both corner
वो भी हमारे
cover
बीच में है. उनका भी
and captaincy great.
यहाँ मान
Excellent.
सम्मान होगा.
अच्छा प्रदर्शन अब तक लगातार तमिलनाडु का इस वक्त. गौतमी देवाश्री काव्या etc. is very sensational and key of Tamil Nadu. Running attack, tiger, real tiger. Captaincy, great raider, sister of Karthik Express, gold medalist. As you know, oh, angle hold on the right corner, double thigh attack of Bihar,
और
and
इनके बाद
tiger out here.
कुमार
Good conversation in the timeout. Raji and coach of Tamil Nadu. Now flying in the air, try to bonus but not clear. I think Raider is out and gifted for Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu score now 4. Warning for बिहार के लिए एक हल्की सी चेतावनी. मगर 5 के डिफेंस में समय देखते हैं. नंबर ऑफ 5 डिफेंडर. नंबर 9 देवाश्री, a very important player for Godhami. देवाश्री, काव्या, टाइगर कैप्टन, डबल रोल. बिहार इस समय बेहतरीन ट्राई करता हुआ. स्कोर की बात करें तो 4-3 का स्कोर है जिसमें बढ़त इस वक्त बिहार के खाते में पॉइंट जाता हुआ. इस समय स्कोर वंस अगेन लेवल 4-4. मैच वंस अगेन टाइट स्कोर each 4-4. Knockout free quarter now running between these two. Try to bonus. Good attempt, but we will have to wait and see. Bonus is there or not. Try once again. Very clever captain. I think you're flying in there. Couple of points here. Yes, it does. And now once again leading with the 2 point. Couple of points and excellent try on the right corner. Invite for the mistake Kavya for Bihar. And finally get the achievement of 2 points. Oh, solidly defense now. Corner to corner. Excellent. Bihar in the Tamil Nadu net. Super work done by Tamil Nadu defense. 7-4. So 3 point ahead to Bihar now. What would you think? This match, Bihar and Tamil Nadu playing superbly. Easily tackle 1 more point. Tiger captain of Tamil Nadu's pocket and Tamil. So double score. Now Tamil Nadu 8 and Bihar only 4. So
बिल्कुल मान सम्मान की प्रक्रिया में
and great comeback.
मैं एक
Tamil
बार फिर
try to running left to right to left
बुलाना चाहूंगा
and call for touching point number 5
बलबीर सिंह जी पे
will come out. Yes,
और सिलू पहलवान जी
Kavya not satisfied to the defense.
पहले
Knee
मुकेश
had
प्रवास घेवरा,
left right face expression of Kavya.
अशोक मान जी आप आए, आपको सम्मानित किया जाएगा।
So score now Bihar
और
5
हवा
and
सिंह
Tamil
राणा
Nadu
जी।
8. 5-8 का स्कोर फेवर इस समय तमिलनाडु, जबकि 10 नंबर से इस वक्त बिहार की रेडर। बेहतरीन
और
मुकाबला इस वक्त
श्री हवा सिंह
बहुत ही
राणा जी
शानदार।
और मुकेश दबास जी
थैंक यू सो मच ऑल आर कबड्डी फैंस।
सभी को सम्मानित
डिफेंस
करने का काम करें।
तमिलनाडु विल ट्राई टू पुश और नॉट। ओ 13 देवासिरी Godhame going for red after Kavya.
नॉकआउट बेसिस पर क्वार्टर फाइनल मैच
देवा
आज ही
सीरीज
संपन्न कराए जाएंगे।
Kavya
कल के लिए केवल सेमीफाइनल और फाइनल मैच शेष रहेंगे।
shape comeback after pass the time. Very a brilliant team Tamil. And now Godhame on the red. Good conversation Kavya. And now Kanishka also in playing 7. Oh, solid chain corner to corner. Bihar super work, brilliant defense looking here. शानदार डिफेंस पेश आता हुआ नजर आया इस वक्त बिहार का। टाइम आउट। टेक्निकल पॉइंट फॉर तमिलनाडु। डबल एंट्री एंड एक्सीलेंट ऑफसेटिंग। So gifted for Tamil Nadu. Technical point. And 1 more point now for Bihar. Kavya on the red. Tamil Nadu against Bihar. Free quarter, first half is running. Kavya. Tiger solidly defense. And Tiger in the Bihar defense losing point. Now score once again equal 9 each. Super tackle is on. Number 11, number 13, Devasiri. Tamil Nadu need to super tackle here under pressure. And now match is changing here. Oh my God. Only single point may be there. Yes, it does. Now Bihar in double figure 10. But Tamil Nadu on 9. What?
Your score will be 9-9.
Now number 11 on the red. This time crucial part of the match and all out. First time Tamil Nadu in this match. Bonus goes to for Tamil Nadu. Big achievement of Bihar. यहाँ से अच्छी सफलता हासिल करता हुआ ऑल आउट के रूप में 13-10 का स्कोर इस समय देखिए। तमिलनाडु goes to in double figure 10-13. 3 point behind against Tamil. And now bonus try to. Bonus is there. Yes, it has 14. 14-10. 4 की बढ़त इस समय आप देख सकते हैं बिहार के पक्ष में ऑल आउट का उत्साह बढ़ता हुआ, मगर एक नंबर से हो बिग रेड इस समय ग्रेट कमबैक तमिलनाडु विद अ कपल ऑफ पॉइंट और सुपर रेड ओनली 2 पॉइंट एंड तमिलनाडु ऑन 12 starting in the first half. Number 10 Tamil Nadu, number of 7 defender in a row. C-Chef losing Devasiri, and number 8 number of 6 defender bonus is on. Kanishka with the bonus came back, now score 16. Sorry, 13, 15,
ईश्वर प्रधान
13.
छाबड़ी जिला
Solid defense and much
वो भी हमारे बीच में आए
better
हैं।
defense needed.
बहुत
Now score
सारा सहयोग है पूरे पर हार्दिक स्वागत है
14-14. Great comeback. Score is level 14-14. Solidly taken. Wow, it's Bihar. Bihar score on 15 and Tamil Nadu on 14. Solid defense, a good reply. Oh, great answer by Tamil Nadu defense. And now satisfied with the coach signal. Eye to eye contact. Team coach Raji and team captain Tiger Kavya. Great work for Tamil Nadu. Sister of Karthik Express, and it's a really role model of youngster. Both player Karthik Express and Kavya Tiger. Now score 15 each. Both team now score equal level. And what a match, sensational. And last moment time match running same as same. I think score left one time right side. And hesitation every moment. इस समय देखिए, इस समय 5 के डिफेंस में आप देख सकते हैं बिहार इस समय स्ट्रगल करता हुआ, वहीं 1 नंबर से इस समय टाइगर ट्राई टू कंटिन्यू फॉर द चांस ऑफ लूजिंग मिस्टेक बाय द बिहार, बट नो डैमेज डन. स्कोर स्टिल नाउ 15 each. Long time match is very tight, but now Godhami Dev Shri do or die, that will be crucial and it will be changes. It obviously, why not do or die. Oh, chance little bit there in the front, number 4 corner, and now angle kick. Yes, it does. Touch point and self out is there, I think. Warning for Bihar. ग्रीन कार्ड, और ग्रीन कार्ड दिखाते हुए पहली चेतावनी बिहार को. और इस वक्त देखिए तमिलनाडु ऑन द अटैक by the defense of solidly catch is correct, and it will be turning point of the match, I think. 17 Tamil Nadu on 17 and 15 Bihar favoring Tamil Nadu by 2 points. Super tackle is on 3 defender and Tiger on the moment. Long head with the try. Continue touching the face but without no damage done. Score now same.
तो हम आपको एकदम से ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं दे पाएंगे.
Number 5 Bihar now losing confidence, but high confidence with the Tamil Nadu, no doubt about it.
नोट करा दें.
Shape came back. It's a half time. Dasnaji Wagade match referee and Bihar on the red. Bihar won the toss and put call for Tamil Nadu for the red, but behind start once again of the very first Kavya with the bonus, and now score 17-16 favoring Tamil Nadu. Try to continue Bihar and Tamil Nadu for the victory, and definitely knockout pre-quarter
भाई
victory
सभी
team
वॉलंटियर एक बार
goes for the
स्वागत द्वार पर
quarter
चले
final.
जाएं. सभी
Tiger
वॉलंटियर
in the super tackle continue attacking regularly.
हरियाणा प्रदेश की
Inform player
जो शान है हमारे खिलाड़ी जिन्होंने
Godhami,
भारतवर्ष के झंडे को
Devasiri,
बुलंद करने का काम किया है.
Kanishka,
वो
Kavya,
स्टार खिलाड़ी
big face of Tamil, and
आपके
it's
सामने होंगे मंच पर.
great and shining
आप
star.
हमको escort करके मंच तक लेकर
Future
के
of Tamil Nadu, Chen, corner to corner. Superb and brilliant work by the defense of Tamil Nadu. And Tamil Nadu continue on to same possible defense. And now Tiger on the super tackle. Two defender only is there now. And Bihar under pressure, losing the confidence. Bihar need to super tackle here. बिहार को इस समय सुपर टेकल की जरूरत है. But Karthika continue. Score is growing. Tamil Nadu is moves on 19 and Bihar is stealing on 16. So waiting for the first point in the second half. बिहार देखिए लगातार दबाव में और दूसरे हाफ में पहले पॉइंट की तलाश में देखा जा रहा है इस समय बिहार. Oh, solidly taken and it's all out. So all out first time Bihar against Tamil and bonus favoring Bihar. Last player of Bihar. And now all out Bihar. Tiger on the red and first time all out. Now finally both team all out each other and passing time Kavya and yes it has 3 point goes to in Tamil Nadu. It's great and green signature. 23-18 time out. Starting match. Bihar on the red. Number of 7 defender in a row in pink dress. But Bihar playing 7 in. Now, which type of strategy will introduce in the next and second half? स्कोर की बात करें तो 18-23 का स्कोर है. 5 point leading in Tamil Nadu and it will be better for Tamil Nadu, but Bihar is not much happy here. Some decisions is very tough, not easy Ajay for the official side. Crucial time, crucial match, knockout, free quarter. नंबर 11 बिहार से देखिए इस समय 11 नंबर पहचान संख्या में. Number of 7 defender is there. Strong defense. Oh, good control. Finally reaching and Redder is out. 1 more point into the Tamil edition and Tamil Nadu goes to 4 quarter. बिहार की बालिका को बिहार बालिका वर्सेस तमिलनाडु गर्ल्स. Each other very strong and tight match. Score now 24 Tamil and stealing Bihar on 18. So 6 point difference between these two. Tamil Nadu team coach, team manager and all our Tamil fans really happy, and why not? First time it's very tight, but now in the second half all out after leading 6 point and it should be used for the pressure. Oh, good, excellent. Kanishka, number 8. Block superbly. A very wall of Tamil Nadu. Kanishka, number 8. Good confidence with the Godhami, Devasiri, Kavya, Kanishka, Saundarya, do or die. Godhami on the red. And now Bihar for chance. Will hope on the defense and now crucial moment and little bit pressure on the redder. Continue time is very important. 7 seconds are remaining and is taken. Catch kar liye gaye. Redder is out. So first point of the Bihar in the second half. Now 19-25 score now.
और भाई जैसे कि मैं अभी जिक्र कर रहा था,
Quarter century comes up for Tamil Nadu.
हमारे जिला सोनीपत के
25
बहुत बड़े स्टार खिलाड़ी
Bihar 19.
हरियाणा प्रदेश को दिए, भारतवर्ष को दिए. उसी श्रेणी में
Number 1 against 6
स्टार
defender.
खिलाड़ी सुनील भैंसवाल और प्रवेश भैंसवाल बिल्कुल मंच पर पहुंच रहे. एक बार तालियां बजाकर स्टार खिलाड़ियों का स्वागत कीजिए.
In pink dress, brilliant performance in every match
इनके नाम का
so far.
मोहताज नहीं, इन्होंने बिल्कुल अपने आप को सिद्ध किया है. लगातार इस भारत देश के झंडे को बुलंद करने का काम किया.
What a try.
प्रो कबड्डी में
Oh,
बिल्कुल
bonus.
अपना नाम कमाया.
Tiger, Kavya.
वो स्टार खिलाड़ी आपके सामने भी
No damage done. Score now stealing.
इस 35वीं सब जूनियर नेशनल कबड्डी चैंपियनशिप
बिहार.
यहाँ पहुंचने पर हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन.
एक बार फिर बिहार की रेडर काफी अपेक्षाएं बिहार को अभी भी मैच में वापसी के लिए. रनिंग अटैक
अभी रुक जाओ और भी आएंगे.
with the long hand. We will have to wait and see.
मैच पर
But shoot is there And point goes to for Bihar favor. Very clever player of Tamil Nadu, Kanishka pursuit number 8 by number 8 and achievement of number 1 point. Oh, solidly reaching here, big red, super red may be there. And losing point Tamil Nadu here. Big below, super red of Bihar, 3 point. And now Bihar on 23 and Tamil Nadu on 26. Very tight. Coming back slowly Bihar. Now time, I think, very important. Solidly catch. Corner to corner. Now, number 1 and super tackle. Two defender is there. Try to super tackle and losing one more point. Tamil Nadu and quarter century comes up Bihar. 25-26. Only 1 point difference between these two. Last player of the Tamil Nadu. Continue try to here. For save to Tamil Nadu need 2 point and bonus, but solidly defense, brilliant taken by, and 3 point goes to in Bihar. All out Tamil Nadu second time, and Tamil Nadu 26. So now score 28-26 का 2 अंक की बढ़त बिहार के पास. 28-26. What a comeback! Great comeback by Bihar and Tamil Nadu. What is thinking? Kanishka on the corner, Kavya Tiger, Godhami, Devasiri, come back. And now Tiger. Tamil Nadu depend mostly on the Tiger. The real Tiger of Tamil. Tamil Nadu fans pray to God. And why not knockout and easily 1 point addition into the Tiger and Tamil Nadu score sheets. 27-28. Part of the match. 1 touch point there, try to bonus also, but Bihar number 1 with the on the red. एक नंबर से इसमें बिहार देखिए क्या गजब की वापसी की, सोचा नहीं था कि बिहार मैच में वापस लौटेगा. And favor in Bihar 1 point. Score now 28-27. As same as final match, very tight and losing Bihar couple of point, and now leading on the crucial time Tamil Nadu. Great Kavya, no doubt about it. Credit goes to Tiger. 29-28. Oh, great reply. Only 1 point. Ajay Narwal. Great offsetting. 29. What a match. Free quarter, but looking as same as final. Great. It's a very rare match. I think you are also under pressure. Who will be win the match in this free quarter? Last now बिहार ऑन द रेड. बिहार इस वक्त रेड के ऊपर और बेहतरीन मुकाबला इस समय आप देख रहे हैं. जितनी भी प्रशंसा करनी होगी, और यहाँ से बिहार ने जो वापसी की वो अविश्वसनीय. स्कोर बिल्कुल देखेगा बराबर लेवल 29-29. ना तुम आगे ना हम पीछे. तराजू की तरह तराजू बंटवारा कर देती किले में 1000 ग्राम. आधा बंटवारा होता जब 500 ग्राम. बिहार ऑन द रेड एंड वेटिंग ऑफ डू और डाई, बट इट्स नॉट डू और डाई. पासिंग टाइम बिहार.
और इस कबड्डी का एक
बिहार
बहुत बड़ा सितारा
शेप केम बैक. गोधमी ऑन दिस डू और डाई.
भारत देश के झंडे को बुलंद किया.
Tamil Nadu, I think, little bit pressure on the red. Do or die. And now, solidly defense looking here of the Bihar on 30.
स्वागत और अभिनंदन है.
And Tamil Nadu need to strong defense. Yes, it does. Suddenly diving catch. Oh, great effort. No doubt about it. Now 30 each score. Once again, score is level. Timeout Tamil Nadu. Now, Tiger on the red. Match may be tie or not. What's your ideas? Please tell me. Yes, we will try to follow us. Oh, diving in the flying same as Air India flight. Couple of points is there. Big red in the last time of match. And same as score of Tamil Nadu. 2 point behind Bihar now on the red. Solidly taken. Kanishka, excellent work. Running block and bonus is there. Equal point. Both sides, one each. Means 29, 33, 31, 33, 31. Number one more point and Tiger continue. Brilliant work for Tamil Nadu. Last player of the Bihar. Now Tamil Nadu without any mistake should be taken here. That means a big achievement and yes, it does double high attack and all out. Second time Bihar. Bonus Bihar 32 and 36 Tamil Nadu. Time with the safe game. No need to risk here. Tamil Nadu. Last 1 minute to go and 5 point leading. So time is very important. तुलसी नर का क्या बड़ा समय बड़ा बलवान भीलन लोटी गोपियां भाई अर्जुन और भाई बाण समय किसी का इंतजार नहीं करता और वो इस समय बिहार के लिए विकेट पर स्थितियां सिस्टर ऑफ कार्तिक एक्सप्रेस ओह जस्ट बेटली 1 point gift Tamil Nadu will want to passing time once again. So now 33 37 4 point difference between these two and last moment of the match. I think some seconds are remaining here and Tamil Nadu goes to for quarter final. Angle kick in there. We will have to wait. Yes, it does. Number of 38 point. Yes, it does. And now time is running. And I think it should be last moment. 38, 33, 5 point lead or is समय. Yes, it does. Time is over and now finally Tamil Nadu goes to in final quarter final. Yes, it does. So finally Tamil Nadu beat Bihar by 4 point 34-38 and it's a great victory of Tamil Nadu. Brilliant performance, excellent played both team and Bihar unfortunately out and Tamil Nadu in a quarter final. Great day.